God say yes, God will bless it. Sunday and Bones TV. Tune into Sunday and Bones TV for the latest updates throughout the world. Sunday and Bones TV, crazy, never lazy. The Queen is here. Feel my energy. You're telling me that Queen, you're strong. So you're giving me girl power strength. So I appreciate that. That's the money machine, right? Pick that money machine. Come on, live goal, right? Crazy. Is me have 28 more live goal. Please help me get the live goal. Yes, Stella, as you were saying, I do a girl power program every Wednesday.
Really?
Yes. I've been doing it for like maybe 7 years now. So it's a very strong girl power empowerment. So when I'm upset, when I'm broken, when I'm hurt, when I'm happy, when I'm sad, when I'm joyful, when I'm in my element, I'm here with the girl powers. So it's my brand. It's my brand. Is she a robot? No, she's not a robot. Stella, they said that you're a robot.
No, I'm not. I'm an Albanian. You know Albanians?
Yes. You're so like Albanian. Go and hide serious. Sometimes you have to hide from them. It's alright, Stella.
Have you ever met an Albanian there?
Yes, she done my lashes. They're good at doing the fusion lashes. You know them. They be here and beauty. Thank you. Yeah, I've got Albanian friends. Nice people, you know, Stella.
Robert, thank you.
Yeah, Albanian people are beautiful people. Don't blood clot mind him. She sound like a robot for truth. Eh?
I'm not a robot.
She's not a robot.
Don't say that, come on.
Queen. No, she's a real girl. Yeah? Yeah? So, on a can't make Stella me out, you know? On a session robot, on a cannot make the robot win the queen. Send me some life target. TikTok money machine. Shh. I know you're not a robot. I don't think so. I have to be careful. No, leave her. She's alright. Okay? Stella, send me
oh my God, you're winning. Queenie, you're winning.
No, I'm not winning. You're sniper mission. Whoa! We got word dog! Watch her, Stella win. Stella, I told you.
Thank you.
Stella, let's play another one. I have to win in one game, Stella. I'm not having that. Let's go. Ask Michelle if we can go again. See there, TikTok universe. Angela, okay, so that's in your universe, Stella. You don't want to play another game?
Wait. Hold on, I don't either upload my
Ask them if you can play another game.
Queenie, I have to leave.
Okay, darling.
I'm sorry. We can play another time, of course.
No problem, Stella. Thank you.
Bye-bye. I love you, Queenie. You're amazing.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye. Yeah, man. See ya. Hang up, Stella. Bye. Ah! When I really sit down here, I make Stella broke me up 3 times. For my own or something. I never get no dinner today. I never eat no lunch. I never start the break the fast. And I didn't break any fast. So why not sit there and make robot, what kind of robot? Robot over here too? How would you say invite, oh. This is one I man them. Jesus, I don't know who for. It's a robot, Queenie. What? What?
Yeah. Go on, Queenie.
Hello.
Good day. Good day. Go on, everything good, Queenie.
Everything good.
Yeah, man. That is it. See up on the internet. Jamaica with them man.
They from black catch
Yeah, me hard.
Bumbo clap, my son. Them say.
Feel a long time with the free. One night.
A long time when I pre me.
I mean, long time me give them a pre.
Everybody's a pre-Queenie. Why pre? Not a mug could I never be her cup of tea. Confrontation and clashes. Every day, me don't really know how to manage. Me a one royal, we at it strike like a matches. For the crown, then all the catches. Crazy, so crazy. Crazy, never lazy. Wow. Look at my mouth. I make my voice. Wow, yeah, somebody to play a game. Hello, Eric Sherman, what happened?
Yeah, look
This is Mr. Cool, Mr. Cool. How are your name?
Taji, they call.
Oh, Taji, what? You're the Jamaica?
Yes.
Okay, Jamaicans, let's go. How would this name, Top Girl? Top Girl, come in.
Wagwan, mama.
Crazy. Top Girl, with Queenie on the line. And DJ over there, so I want my friend of the name.
Shane God, my name, man.
Where name?
Shane God.
Bombo Clap. Crazy, all of the clean hot cocky boy, them must be beautiful, nice hot cocky. Say a cocky clean, say a cocky. Say the girl and let's forget a lot of cock. Never do the just event when you get the cocky.
Yeah, pull up. That is it. You pull up right. Love that.
Natural, me just natural. Bless it.
Yeah, pull up right.
Allah, Stella chicken in our game.
Drop a new song.
Yeah, this Friday, may I drop a new song and my Viva. Oh, this Friday. I made 2 years since my daughter passed away.
I said with Queenie, 2 years gone already?
Yes, Mrs. The 6th of October, so I drop a pain song. And then after the pain song, I do my EP. So I have six song line up. You saw the money machine? Come on, you crazy. You ready to start the game? TJ, where they?
Hey, when the song go?
Jamaica with them, man. They are sentence side.
That's how do what?
Say your pussy clean, say your pussy fat.
Double tap.
When you see a picture, them a double tap. That girl, I know you never act. Real talk, I know say a fact. TikTok, let's go. Ready, set, go for the TikTok game. Ready, set, go. Ready.
One top girl.
Oh, you mean? I'm crazy. Whoa.
What? Share me, Queenie, share me again.
Shame, kill me. I post a video this morning, go look on it. Shame, kill me over there. Go and look. I say that, I say, shame, kill me. Hey, I'm feeling that, you know.
Can you send the match to me? My accept, please.
Thank you for the likes.
Thank you. Oh, nice. There you go. Okay,
right. Top of the screen, people. Top of the screen. I say, I double tap Queen over here. Come there, please.
Top girl.
Yeah.
That's how our robot.
That's
how our robot tricked me a while ago, too.
Which part? Where robot there?
Them say robot the pan TikTok. Me don't know.
Me don't know. As some little fake page you say we all follow some. We nobody now in a profile picture and them something. Some of them are some robot.
That's so nice, sweetie. I'm glad to hear it.
It was a picture, but me never saw the person.
Some of the page them, some robot. Some robot.
Robot?
Yeah, them say a robot. I'm going to read people, they back on them and they must say a robot. Me don't know. But there's some fake page, you see, like some of them, they're not on a profile or they're not nothing for them.
But most people, them robot can't just get up and make page.
They say a robot, That's
all I say. Anyway,
me.
System I watch you know.
TikTok.
Yeah, right. System I watch you know.
What am I talking about? No voice change.
Yeah, press the voice to change the voice down the
Oh, there's loads of people behind fake page. No Ross, but no Ross robot. Most TikTok. Yes, not a robot. I don't believe that's rubbishness. I want the same send me up here, sir. Thank you. Listen, not trick me, you know. Send them live gun, please. Can you know what I'm the top girl?
Yeah.
When we reach ourselves, 12 seconds left, I think you go win.
Yeah, them snipe.
Them snipe.
Yeah, them snipe.
Me don't like it. I prefer stay by your state. Silent mode and then snipe me. Gonna can't get me get 28 of them TikTok gun there, please. The TikTok machine, please.
Yo, oh now make the side look stupid.
Me don't want them snipe me again. I never myself a donut a while ago and name off a donut them.
Come on, snipe. When you make them come snipe Queenie again now. Don't come mash up shame over this that J De Niro.
28 more of the machine. How much have I gone? 27 more, please. Come on, right crazy. Come on. Send me the TikTok machine, please. Please let me get there. Some have manners.
Come people on top of the screen, see Queen there. Come, you want back our thing with them snipe for now. On the top of the screen. Thank you.
How about the one of them for truth? Black Prim, thank you. J Team, thank you.
Chat,
TikTok Universe. I will get TikTok Universe.
Somebody on the live, you want to buy the ice cream. Somebody on the stream. Power tap live, guys. Taps and roses. Come 2 times gifting points, guys. 2 times gifting points. Tell them send it out, Queenie. Yeah, 2 times gifting points. Send
Live goals. Funky B, Lataya.
Power tap, guys. Power tap. One on art. Come, guys. Push up a score, the man.
Come on, man. Miss B. When I can't send me some TikTok machine, them. We need 27 more TikTok machine, please. 27 more TikTok machine.
Taps and roses. Tell him not owing taps and roses. Nothing.
Taps and roses. Come on, taps and roses. Thank you. Thank you, Brighton. Thank you, Nas. Thank you. When you can't send me some of them pink TikTok machine that I want a blue one.
Send Queenie some money gone there. Send Queenie some money gone there for I'm gonna know so the pussy clean and the pussy fat.
Yeah. The girl power where I show all that clean fat at y'all them right now.
Come in.
Tax. Yeah. Oh, what have I done? Me not even know we and Nicky big up yourself because by the look under the sun. Yes, please. Check that. Yes, please. Nice.
Snap, guys. Come on, them snap.
Yeah. Them are sniping. I don't care if them are sniping.
I'm afraid them have to take that one, man.
Thank you. All right. Thank you, Nats. Breath, Lataya, and Bright.
Live, guys.
Thank you.
104. Thank you for the gift.
Nuts.
You ready?
Thank you. Yeah, we can go now.
So wait a minute, I gotta get back myself a donut where rubber teeth.
See me give back a follow, alright, sweetie. Oh, you can't be a son here, man. Yes, dear.
I don't understand the donut part yet. I so understand that.
Power tap. I don't know about that donut. So they said it is
You know, when
donut.
they are up beside, they see something say WIN in our yellow. And that them called donut. No, what they say them? Nugget. What me call donut. So when me play with the robot a while ago, me have 7 of them.
That is it.
Well, that's.
That's it. They are really girl in a really.
Come on, Ryan, please. Tap on the screen, please.
Oh, you know, hey, put up the screen for me, huh? Put up the screen for the queen. See queen, put up the screen, guys. See queen.
Well, me top girl win no man. Baby
Come
girl,
on, put up the
baby
screen, man.
girl.
Yeah. Gonna can't make Shane God and Taje, De Niro. De Niro rich already. That's your name, De Niro. Make him stay. You know what?
Hey, you know more I say? When I universe some of them. But me run go down the road and come back. That's what the big foreign universe first. Yeah. Come on, right, Chris. You don't do better than that, man. You can't just have the queen shot
Come on,
talk.
crazily. Come. Taps and rose, people. Taps and rose. Delicious. Taps and roses, baby love. Taps and roses. Thank you.
Guys, you
Thank you, delicious. Big up yourself, Lily. Power tap, guys.
one top girl.
Thank you. Thank you, Nuts. Thank you. Why am I love them people? Royals, them, you know. I love
Hey, them liars.
Yeah, I love
Liars,
Royals,
roll
them.
with the
Yeah,
Royals.
I love the Royals, them. Them
The
nice.
Royals, the big up Mariah
Thank you,
crazy, them man.
guys. Thank you.
Listen, live
Thank you,
goal.
Nuts. Delicious.
Wanna send me
Thank you.
some TikTok machine, please.
Delicious.
Live goal. Come on. Send
Yeah,
it
no.
up. Go for Orange
And
Heart
that's
and
me
subscribe, please, and
yes.
thanks.
What's up, guys?
I remember the 2nd of December, my birthday, guys.
Come, me and the queen.
Right, Chris,
Yeah,
you
the
know what? I'm
queen.
going to keep a party over here for my birthday, December 2. Empress, say yes, God bless. Thank you, Empress. Taps and roses. Oh, I'm not getting a
Taps and roses, people. Taps and roses. Come on, to the queen. But like crazily.
Thank you for the shoes. Yes, Bob.
Yeah, Lily, big up
Yeah,
yourself, you know,
yeah.
Lily.
Thank you.
Lily, hello, finger.
Yes, we get money. Share the live. Share the live.
God bless.
Share the
Thank
live
you.
and let them know if Queenie they over here. Money gone again.
Hey, bestie, what?
Share the live. Thank you for the money gone.
Thank you.
Come on, live goal. 25 more money gone. 25 more Ryan credit. 25
You
more.
want money?
Ryan
You
credit.
better than that,
Share
man.
the
Come
live.
on.
Share the live and tell them to quit it.
Really, top girl.
Share live with Taps and roses. Come on, guys. Let's go.
556.
Taps and roses.
Finger
So the
out.
queen up on live, you know.
Thank you,
Oh,
Fine. Times 6. Finger out, please. Make it some finger
Thank
out.
you.
No, man, this again.
Big up yourself, you know, Lily.
and art,
You know it's
guys.
time.
And art. Some and
Send me
art.
some unart.
And I'm not
Unart,
over here
please,
saying.
unart.